Hi everybody, James Orton from Mazda of Crystal Lake, and excited to be stocking in two new additions to the inventory. There's going to be a polymetal gray 3 hatch. That's a premium trim and all-wheel drive with the red interior, so I'll show you that in a minute. Right now we're sitting in the CX9, and you'll get a full slow-mo and promo video after this. I just wanted to show you kind of initially what it's going to be like. I'm already noticing some different stitching on the seats. I'll flip around so you can see the screen too. Just let me stock this in real quick. And so the screen that this is sitting on, it does look a little bit bigger. It's not what we were expecting from the Mazda 3. So maybe it's just going to be better resolution, hopefully. But just keeping you posted on the changes. And we'll take a look and see. This is 422. So this is how the vehicles come in from Mexico and sometimes, most of the time, Japan. As you know, the 3 is sometimes built in Mexico, but they come with all this plastic wrapping on the visors and everything like that, and then sheets of plastic wrap on the hood and paint and things like that. This one happens to be a GT. So it's going to have the option of the split seat or captain's chairs. I'll show you that right now. So here you can see some of the stitching. And the back of the console up front is now partial to cup holders and storage. And you have your heated seats and ventilation. And I'm sure the armrest nicely padded and everything like that. Different settings. Pull it all the way back up to reset it for your preferred arm support. So looking forward to showing you that later after it gets PDI'd through service and fluids checked and all the wrappers taken off and cleaned up by our wonderful detail personnel. There's a screen. But we'll check and see if the clarity and resolution has changed on the backup camera and things, or what the new, if any, features come to the 360 view. Yeah, so no functionality just yet because the fuses need to be put in and everything like that. But if you didn't know, they come with 3 miles on them from the factory, and basically no fuel. Let's check out the Mazda 3. Oh, before we go, here's that off-road traction assist. So, from what I know, it's kind of like BMW's hill descent control. I'm sure there's some different technology, but it's a new button that we haven't had there before. And of course, we'll check out the view when we do the other video. So make sure to stay tuned or subscribe. Thanks for watching. And then, of course, you also have the new key for the 2020 models. So that's the 2020 CX9 all wrapped up from the factory, and then we'll get it through the shop and do another video on it. And then there you have the 2020 Mazda 3 in the polymetal gray. This is the first time seeing this color combination, as it is a metallic, and then it's got the red interior. So this is a premium hatch with all-wheel drive. Check out the interior. That looks really good. It's so different. Back in the 70s or 80s, it wouldn't be a big deal to have like a red interior, but now it's back. I guess everything comes back to fashion. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. And this is a Japanese build. You can tell by the first digit in the VIN number. J for Japan.